Hey guys, Poverty Point Customs here. Well, Facebook Marketplace hit me again, and I got a great deal on this Hyundai. It's a 2200 watt inverter generator, and this has an 80cc gasoline engine or a 2.7 horsepower. So one thing I like about this, it only weighs 55 pounds. It's compact in size, so I'm able to put this on a shelf in the garage. So these are regular $899 plus tax at Princess Auto. And I was able to get this for $400, brand new, never had gas in it. So we're gonna fire it up and hopefully she runs all right. So the last owner had initially bought it for a cottage. Unfortunately, he didn't end up getting the cottage. And hence the great deal on this, as he had just had it sitting around for about a year. So now that it's all fueled up, I'm going to turn the fuel to the on position. You want to open up your vent to the on position. When you're not using it, keep it in the off position. You want to turn the power to the on position. And you want to make sure it's full of oil. And what I like to do, because it's never been started before, is I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to pull the pull cord a few times to get the oil flowing through the motor. So right now it's about 2 degrees out, so we're going to turn the choke on. Again, it's on the on position. So one nice thing about these small generators, it's rated at 56 decibels for the noise level, so you can actually have a conversation with somebody with this running. On the front of it, you can have a EcoMode. Again, it's in EcoMode right now. If you turn it off, you'll hear the generator rev up a little more. So just taking a look at the generator, you have your 2 plugs rated at 14.2 amps. You also have 2 USB ports, which is really nice, and they're both 2.1 amps. And if you want to hook this up parallel with another generator, you just unscrew this, you buy your parallel cable, and you can have 2 of them running at the same time. This is your reset button and your breaker button. This is your fuel shut off. When you're done, you want to turn the fuel off, and you want to shut off your vent cap, put it into the off position. Again, your choke, your pull cord. It's got your low oil light, an overload light, and a ready to use light. So this is going to be a 2-part video. So the first video is just explaining the new inverter generator and its first start. And the next video, we're going to go over some maintenance on it. We're going to take off some of these panels. Again, you have a panel here, here. This is for spark plug, oil, and whatnot. So that's going to be the second video on the inverter generator. Overall, I'm very impressed on how the generator started for its first start. Again, hopefully it's like that if we need it in the middle of winter when the temperatures are in the -20s or whatnot. Again, make sure to comment if you have any tips or suggestions on this generator, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And again, the next video on this is doing some maintenance on it. We're to check the oil, change the oil, check the spark plug, air filter, and whatnot. Anyways, thanks for watching. Take care.